Welcome! In today's video, I'll show exactly how to change your birthday on Snapchat using the latest updated steps. Whether you made a mistake when setting it up or just need to update it, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page where all your account details are stored. Next, in the top right corner of your profile screen, tap on the settings icon. It looks like a small gear symbol. This will open up your Snapchat settings menu, where you can manage everything related to your account. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the option labeled Birthday. Tap on it to continue. Here, you'll see the birthday currently linked to your account. To change it, simply tap on your existing birthday. You'll be able to adjust the day, month, and year using the picker. Set your correct date of birth carefully. After selecting your new birthday, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change. Snapchat may ask you to verify your choice.